Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TWO-STRAND. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be alerted when I post all new content. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my cousin's 11th month retwist, and I haven't shared any of his journey on this channel so far because honestly it was really rough. This was the first set of traditional locks that I have started and I had no idea what I was doing, and now they're just at a point where I can kind of see the fruit of my labor, so I thought I would share that with you guys. I started his locks in July of 2018, and this is what they are looking like now as of June 2019, so stay tuned if you want to see the finished product. Okay, so first I washed his hair off camera with just some regular shampoo, and I think I might have conditioned. I can't remember. We were alternating. Sometimes we conditioned, sometimes we didn't. And then I just began to retwist his hair from the bottom up. So basically here you see me respraying his hair with water because it had got a little dry. And then I went in with the comb to make sure that all his parts were neat and all the hairs were in the proper lock. He likes his hair to be neat, so I try to be as neat as possible. And so for retwisting, I used the Jamaican mango and lime gel. And before I was using the ORS locking gel. Now I know some people feel a way about the Jamaican mango and lime because they say it can potentially cause buildup, which I definitely explained to him, but this is what he wanted me to use, so I just followed what he wanted. Like I said, he likes the neat look, and if I had to categorize his hair, I would say he is like maybe a 3B 3C. So his hair, he wants his hair to hold because he does have problems keeping a retwist. So I put the gel on my palm and some on his root, and then I used the comb to begin the retwist and palm roll the rest using the gel in my palm. And as you can see, when I'm done, I just clamp it to the side and repeat it on the next lock. And then once I've completed 2 locks, I twist them together, making sure to twist them as I'm twisting them so that they will stay. And this also gives you that like nice rope-like texture. And also I just want to point out, twisting as you're twisting is so important, especially with looser textures of hair, in order for them to stay. And it's also important for sister locks as well, I've learned, because since our locks are so small, if you just do regular twists, they're just gonna like not really give you, they'll stay probably depending on your texture, but they're not gonna be as defined as they would if you twist as you twist. So make sure you are twisting as you are twisting. And since I didn't use any clips, I just sat him under the I bought a bonnet dryer because I just didn't feel like using my hooded dryer, so I bought a bonnet dryer, or I bought a bonnet and then attached the blow dryer to it, and he sat under there for about 15 minutes. And if you see us laughing and joking throughout this video, it was because my mom was making fun of him virtually the whole time. That's just how she is. She likes to poke fun, and we were just all having a good time. So again, he just sat there for 15 minutes and that was it. Oh wait, I wasn't recording that whole time. Okay. So, this is the final product of my cousin's hair. Yeah, he's 11 months in, and yeah, I will give you guys his 1-year update. And yeah, I'm proud of myself for somebody who didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, he's satisfied, or at least he has to be satisfied. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.